Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, you know what guys, WIXCO was nice enough to send out a few knives that have just released. The one in front of us we're talking about today is the Splark. S-P-L-A-R-K, the WIXCO Splark. Now, the thing about these is when they're first dropping, they are offering a 15% off discount for like the first 3-4 days, something like that. Now this one got here a little bit late, but you've still got an opportunity. It runs through today, the 15% off. With that, you can get this guy for right around 65 bucks. There's red, there's blue, there's purple carbon fiber versions also that are that 15% off. And they're, oh shoot, I don't remember the price on those. But this guy, the G10 version, 65 bucks is what you're going to pay for it. Now, it's kind of an interesting color combination. You've got the green, and then you've got this purple. Now, the spacer is purple titanium. Interesting. Everything else on it, pretty much steel, pocket clip, screws, that type of thing. But you've got a nice, generous lanyard hole there. You've got a deep carry clip, which is reversible. So, overall fit and finish done very, very nicely. And this G10 has got some grip. It absolutely, I mean, check out the, if you can see the texturing. There you go. I mean, not only with the milling, but the texturing. Holy cow. It grabs very, very well. Now, you've got flipper for opening. You've also got a fuller. Oh, I did it. Yes. Two-tone blade on this one. That looks really, I like the way that looks. Of course, you've got the fuller that runs the entire length going down there. Very nice. 14C28N on the blade steel. Does it say it? Yep, right there. Right, yeah. But, it's the blade shape, it's cleaver-ish, if you will. Nice belly on it. I really am digging the two-tone. I really like the way that looks. Now, she's running on bearings. Very smooth. Oh. Jumps out there. Detent. Seems pretty nice. Good detent. Absolutely. And then, yeah, it's got a good drop to it. Overall, not bad on that fit and finish. I'm definitely digging on it. But, all right, let's get our spec check out of the way. So you're looking at right about 8 inches, 4.5 on the handle, 3.5 on the blade. Yeah, pretty much. Got pretty much a full cutting edge. And like I said, that belly is really going to kind of extend out that cutting edge. Grip length, you're looking at almost 4 inches. So I've definitely got a decent bit of room, almost a 1/2 inch, by the way, of room left over, and pretty decent feeling. Pretty decent feeling in hand. Let's zoom out just a little bit. We'll get our size comparisons. Excuse me. So there it is up against the old bug out. And we will get the PM2 in there as well. Now, like I said, with these sales, there'll be a link down below. I'll link the WIXCO site. You guys can go check it out. But that's pretty much PM2 size. Yeah, not bad overall. Let's get the scale out here. We'll see how much it weighs. What do we got? We'll start in grams. Why not? 106 grams or 3.7 ounces. Now, pocket-wise, got a nice, you do have a little bit of resistance right at first, putting it in the pocket, but it goes in very nicely. There's your profile. You got a little bit left over in the pocket coming out. Got that nice pop, pocket clip, definitely stout. And, you know, with the texturing on that handle, you know, I don't think it's going to be a pocket ripper too bad at all, really. I mean, the texturing is heavy enough to allow a good grip, but not really heavy enough to really, you know, it's going to take a while to do anything to the pocket. But overall, now the Splark is a new model for WIXCO. You know, they've been kind of reintroducing some of the little bit older models in some different materials, which we'll probably see here in a few days. But this one, new model, I'm digging on it. Like I said, fit and finish, pretty darn good. Nothing really to nitpick on. It's done very, very well. Action also done very well. Good detent, good action on the drop, for sure. The biggest thing where this thing shines for me is Ergos, man. It is super, super comfortable in hand. Now, you do have a couple of different spots of jimping, and my thumb kind of lands kind of right in between them. I've got jimping here, I've got jimping here, and then I've kind of got the lack of jimping right in the middle. So, I mean, it's holding my thumb pretty darn well. As always worried about, you know, this spot. And if the grip length is right, it usually doesn't bother. Now, this is a little bit, like I said, a little bit longer for me, so sometimes that clip can, not on this one. It's hitting me just right. It's kind of in that crease right there. Do I know the clip is there? Yes. Is it a hot spot? Not even remotely. It just feels very, very good in hand. The way the handle is shaped, index finger lands there, middle finger, and then the other two just wrap around. Now we've got a liner lock on this one. As you can see, you've got nested liners. Access, it doesn't look like it has necessarily great access, but yeah, there's no issue. I don't have to dig my thumb down in there. Side of my thumb catches it really nice, and then it just drops. It's got a little bit of weight, but as you can see there, you've got some weight reduction going on. There you go. Yeah, you've got some weight reduction in there. So, you know, overall, I'm digging on the design, definitely digging on the blade shape. Love the two-tone, and the Ergos are all high points for me on this one. So I think WIXCO's got themselves a pretty good option. Now, they're calling this luminescent green. It's bright green for sure. So let's see if, I know it's probably going to be hard. Let's see. Oh, looky there. Looky there. It does. It is luminescent. Now, we're not doing this in the dark, but see how in that milling, the outlines, it does kind of, oh, dude, check that out. I know it's daytime. Doing a daytime review here, it's a little harder, but it does. It definitely is luminescent, isn't it? Kind of brightens up there. That's pretty cool. It might glow for a little bit in the dark, but kind of a fun little addition to it, for sure. But make sure to go check them out, guys. Like I said, there'll be a link down below. I think, okay, 65 plus 15%. I think they're pushing right around that $75 range regular price. But like I said, through the 29th, that's what they put out to me, the 15% off will hold. So if you get to it tomorrow, go check it out. Maybe it's still there. I don't know. But a huge shout out to WIXCO for sending this one out. Greatly appreciate the opportunity to check out the Splark, new release from WIXCO. And of course, I got to thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Thank you so very much. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.